Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Gigabyte AERO 15 OLED XA laptop. This laptop features an Intel i7-9750H running at a frequency of 2.6 GHz with a boost speed of 4.5 GHz. It features 16 GB of Samsung DDR4-2666 memory, as well as Intel's 512 GB of SSD. For graphics, it also has the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 with Max-Q and a total of 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. Also comes with the killer E2600 Ethernet, as well as supporting the Wi-Fi 6. Other features include the Dynamic 3D audio, as well as the support for Gigabyte RGB Fusion. Another interesting thing about this laptop is the very thin bezel, with a full screen size of 15.6 inch, supporting a resolution of up to 4K. The whole laptop has a very nice, sleek and slim design and weighs in around about 2 kilograms. With all these great features, this laptop is not only designed for gamers and power users, but also for content creators like me. So let's do a quick unboxing, power this baby up and see how it performs. We'll see you in a bit. Alright, so we have the Gigabyte AERO 15 OLED XA laptop, and let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, we have the laptop in a nice envelope, nice fabric envelope right here. Let's have a look what's inside the box. Yes, we have the power pack, nice power pack right here, and the corresponding power cord for the country. So in Hong Kong and UK we have the 3-pin power cord, and there's an envelope of just your instruction guide. All right, here you go. Very nice thin laptop. You can see with a nice design, nice finish with the AERO logo right there, and this instantly lights up when you power the laptop. There's also twin vents here for cooling, another AERO logo right here. Let's have a look at the connectivity. So on your left hand side we have a HDMI port. There's also a USB-C, and then there's a USB 3, and also an audio jack, and also a killer Ethernet. Okay, on this side we have 2 USBs, 3 there, more USB-C, SD card reader, and the power adapter there, port right there. So on either side you also have some air vents for that extra cooling. On the underside we have 2 vents here for your cooling. You can see the fans in there. There's 2, and also 1 center here for you can see the memory chip inside. So for cooling, this laptop is pretty much covered, and then it should give you good performance, especially when you have a very high powerful processor. Okay, let's open this up. All right, inside we have a nice, very thin bezel screen right there. This one has the 15.6 inch screen with 4K resolution, and it has the nice keyboard cloth there to protect your keys, and you can see nice RGB effects. You can actually control this via the Gigabyte software, the Gigabyte Fusion RGB, and the control center allows you then to configure the keys, as well as monitor the performance, as well as the system status of the whole laptop. All right, you can see some logos right here. It's the 9th generation Intel Core i7, supports with the RTX, GeForce RTX 2070. This is the Q-Max version. So yeah, more about that later, because it actually performs a little bit lower than the original 2070. I'm guessing it's to do with the power as well as some of the system settings. All right, nice touchpad here, and yeah, very thin laptop, very nice. Should be powerful enough to do your content creation as well as gaming as well. So let's put this through the test, run some benchmarks and see how it compares with some of the other laptops we've tested in the past, including the MSI one as well. So this is the Gigabyte AERO 15 OLED XA laptop featuring the 9th generation Intel Core i7 as well as supporting 4K resolution. We'll see in a bit. Well, I have to say, the Gigabyte AERO 15 OLED XA with Max-Q is an extremely well-designed laptop that offers a very nice, sleek-looking design. The build quality is very good and it does feel very solid in your hand. With a thickness of only 20mm and weighing in at a respectable 2 kilograms, the Gigabyte AERO is very slim and pretty lightweight for a laptop that offers so much. When I heard that this laptop comes with the onboard GeForce RTX 2070, I was super excited, but on closer inspection, I realized it was RTX 2070 with Max-Q. The Max-Q version of the RTX 2070 offers a performance that's slightly below the original RTX 20 due to the lower power consumption and therefore less heat. And that enables the manufacturer to design and build laptops that are thinner and quieter. Don't let the Max-Q put you off. The Gigabyte AERO 15 OLED XA is one of the thinnest 15.6-inch 4K laptops that we've tested to date. And if that's not enough to sway you, then just take a look at the list of amazing features that's included. For example, you get the gorgeous 15.6-inch 4K monitor made by Samsung with a super thin 3mm bezel. You also get the Gigabyte Fusion RGB per key keyboard, a Thunderbolt 3 support, the HEMIC 3D audio, and the killer Ethernet LAN along with the Wi-Fi 6. You also get 16 gigabytes of the Samsung DDR4-2666 RAM along with the Intel 760p SSD with a capacity of half terabyte and much more. During our tests, we managed to get a high score of 5,743 in PC Mark 10, and in 3D Mark Port Royale we managed to get a score of 3,244 with a DLSS score of 21.98 frames per second. For Time Spy and Firestrike, we got scores of 5,761 and 13,591 respectively. For battery life, you should get about 8.5 hours of use. That's according to Gigabyte, but in real life, I got around about 5 to 6 hours of heavy usage. All in all, I do like this laptop. It's got everything I need and more. I just wish that it didn't use the RTX 2070 with Max-Q, but instead the standard RTX 2070 without the Max-Q. But having said that, it is one of the thinnest 15.6-inch 4K laptops that we've tested to date. Without Max-Q, this wouldn't have been possible. So in conclusion, the Gigabyte AERO 15 OLED XA is a very attractive laptop for content creators like me who likes the occasional gaming. It offers decent performance and a nice sleek and slim design and has all the things that I'll ever need. A powerful Intel 9th generation processor along with the GeForce RTX 2070, albeit the Max-Q. If you're after a slim, lightweight laptop with a 15.6-inch 4K AMOLED screen, you might want to consider the Gigabyte AERO 15 OLED XA. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com.
And there you have it. This is the Gigabyte AERO 15 OLED XA laptop featuring the 9th generation Intel Core i7 processor along with the GeForce RTX 2070 with Max-Q. It's great for gamers, power users and content creators like me, offering great performance and also a great price. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.